Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I have an amazing free energy device right here in front of me. You will not believe this. It is the greatest thing since sliced bread. The only thing that I got to do here is I got to put this this ignition module into this here free energy device. The reciprocal motion of this free energy device takes power from this crankshaft, turns this stepper motor, which in turns powers this converter. This I can't explain. You guys are going to have to pay for that kind of knowledge. But this device right here ties everything together, and it physically takes energy from this model and puts it back into the wall. Don't believe me? Watch. Sometimes it's got to start off a little slow. We don't want to push too much power back into the grid by increasing the potentiometer here. We're getting, we're starting to put out some power now. There we go. Oh, here we go. Wow. Right now, it is in full motion, and we're sending all kinds of power back into the grid. Hopefully it'll make my meter turn backwards. I'll have to do some extensive testing to find out how much money I save over the long run. But for right now, pretty much happy with just the instant savings that I'm getting. Now, if I don't want to put so much power in the grid, if my meter starts running backwards, we don't want the power company to know about it. We just turn it back down just a little bit here. And it'll only put half the amount of power back. I'm sure you guys are going to want to know a lot more about this.